Hey guys, Barrett here with Spec Tech. Welcome to the channel. Today I thought I'd do something different for you. I'm going to be doing a little bit different format here, so I'm filming myself, as you can see, with just my handheld camera. Excuse the lights here, you're going to see my lights and everything, and excuse the mess in the room. But I thought I'd give you guys an update, kind of what I've been up to, what I'm going to be up to, what I'm getting rid of, what I'm going to be getting, just kind of walk you through my room and go through some of that stuff. So yeah, here we go. So last night I actually spent many hours in my room down here, running some room measurements for this gigantic, amazing subwoofer. And guys, I could just keep turning up the volume. This thing does not compress. It is impressive. So, I also decided that I was going to move one of my TV 3612s into this corner. And then I have the other one, don't mind my daughter's toys there, still directly behind my main listening position here. And there's my room mic and my Odyssey mic. Like I said, I spent a lot of time down here. I didn't do all the cleanup. But another thing I'm planning on doing is actually selling these TV 3612s. So if there's anybody in the Calgary area in Canada, if you're interested in some TV 3612s, I got some good ones for you. Alright, so besides that, I've actually put up my side surround speaker for sale as well. I'm most likely going to be selling my Klipsch RP8000Fs. And I do have, or I am planning on a speaker upgrade as well. So another thing I did, which actually took a majority of the time, is I switched my audio racks. So I have all my processing and my power on one rack. So I separated all the power cords from the audio cords. So I just thought maybe it'd give me a little bit cleaner sound and everything. And as you can see here, I got the tone limiter set up. I'm going to be doing a review on that one, and then I got my 7300 down there. And then all the other components I got in this rack. So my Blu-ray player, my power conditioner, if it'll ever focus, and then my gaming systems down there. So that's another thing I have in the works. So, you may be asking yourself, well, what am I going to replace the TV 3612s with? Well, my friends, that again is a secret. You're going to have to wait and find out, but I do have something very special. Just as special as that one, I would say probably so, but it is going to be different. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I will be obviously doing some videos about it, so make sure you stay tuned. So the other thing I got going on here, again, excuse the mess, I still have the plywood here from the Funk LFE24 Ultra. I have these Orchard Audio amps that were sent to me to check out for a review. As a matter of fact, you know what? Why don't I set this camera up on a tripod, and a little bonus for today's video, we'll do a quick unboxing of these Orchard Audio amps. How about that? So let's get into this box and show you this Orchard Audio amplifier. Actually, there's two of them in here. There's two monoblock amplifiers. Their model number is BOSC, so I'm not sure if you pronounce that like BOSC or BOSC, so I'm not going to pretend I know how it's pronounced, but now you know how it's spelled. Alright, so what's in the box here? So first, they're actually quite small, guys, so this is one of the amplifiers. Pretty small little guy. It's 150 watts per channel, or I guess 150 watts because it's a single channel. And there's two of them in here for me to check out. And I'm kind of digging how small they are. Definitely easy to place. Pretty simple design, but that doesn't make them not nice. So what else do we got in here? So in this box, I'm thinking probably some cables. Yeah, here's the power supply for each one. And it is not a standard type plug, but this type plug here. So just two power supplies as well. So I'm going to be hooking these up to obviously my left and right speakers and give them a listen and see what I think about them. So that's it for this box, guys, and there is this package right here, and this is just some adapters for RCA or unbalanced to balanced XLR. So just two of those so that I can run the amplifier. So I'm going to grab the camera and maybe give you guys a little bit more close-up view of this thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed that short but sweet video. So basically, to wrap it up, I'm looking at selling my TB3612 subwoofers. So if there's anybody in Canada that is interested, these subwoofers truly are amazing. I mean, they're fairly flat down to 8 Hertz, but I'm looking at upgrading to something bigger, badder, and of course more expensive. So I'm also looking at getting rid of my speaker setup and upgrading those all to completely new speaker setup. And make sure you guys stay tuned. Next week I will be doing the full review of the Funk Audio LFE 24 Ultra. And guys, this thing is a true beast. Like I said earlier, I was running some compression testing and it will not compress. I actually gave up before the Funk subwoofer did. So you guys definitely want to check that out, so stay tuned. And I hope you enjoyed that quick little surprise unboxing of the Orchard Audio monoblocks. So shout out to Orchard Audio if you guys are interested in checking out his gear. I'll drop the link down below to his website. If you guys are into audio and home theater and you're looking for like a supportive group to join, I actually have several Facebook groups that I started. I have some great moderators as well with a lot of knowledge in those groups. I have one that's specific to Canadians, so for you Canadians out there that are having difficulty finding gear and whatnot, I have the Canadian group with the buy and sell as well. I also have a worldwide group, so everybody's welcome, and several others. So I'm going to link those down below. So if you're looking for some very supportive groups, I'd be happy to have you there, so feel free to join. And if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, tick the little bell icon so you can be notified about my future videos. And if you do like the content, guys, please do hit the like button. It really does help me out and I really do appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and as always, stay techie.